Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial video, we are going to learn that how you can delete your Line account permanently. So if you want to delete it, how are you going to do it? Watch the video till the end and let's start our video. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your Line application. From here, you will find the home button right at the bottom left corner. From here, you need to tap on the setting, which is a gear icon. From here, you need to tap on account. Just scroll down and you will find delete account option. So you need to tap on that one and the message will pop up. If you delete your Line account, you won't be able to log in with it anymore. So if you want to delete it permanently, you need to tap on next. I'm not going to do it, but if you want to delete, just tap on next and your account will be deleted permanently. So guys, this is all it takes to delete your Line account permanently. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.